How does one perceive the computers? The incredible invention, computer, has been around for 2000 years, from the first abacus to latest microprocessor. How does one perceive the computers? Computer is a system of elements to feed in data and present output. Managing unit called Central Processing Unit, CPU, and memory space, that is read-only memory, ROM, or random access memory, RAM. Characteristics which distinguishes computers are capacity, speed and processing capacity of CPU. Two types of classification of computers. First, analog computers uses continuous changeable form of physical quantities, such as waves of the signal, its magnitude, etc. Second, digital computer performs calculations with quantities represented as binary digits, that is 0 and 1. Based on physical structure, capacity, speed and reliability, it can further be classified as: first, microcomputer. It is mini single-user computer, and its CPU is a microprocessor with single-chip large-scale integrated circuit, LSID, computer processor.